Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Rib O Lator is probably one of the most exciting ways to cook ribs, delivering incredibly tender and flavorful results. This method utilizes even heat distribution, ensuring your ribs are cooked to perfection while retaining their natural moisture. If you're looking to elevate your grilling game and impress your friends and family with mouth-watering ribs, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Rib O Lator. Number 5. Weber 22-inch Charcoal Kettle Rotisserie. Take your grilling to the next level with this rotisserie kit. It elevates the rotisserie to optimize space, allowing you to explore new menu items right from your backyard. Impress your friends and family with delicious meals. Try cooking lamb, prime rib, barbecue turkey, chicken shawarma, ribs, or even pineapple on it. This rotisserie is designed to handle both large and small cuts of meat. It's built to last and provide you with years of grilling enjoyment. It's powered by a heavy-duty electric motor. The motor can handle a whole chicken or a large roast with ease. The kit includes a stainless steel spit rod, forks, required hardware, and a heavy-duty motor. Everything you need to get started is included. It fits Weber 22 charcoal grills, including MasterTouch, Performer, Original Kettles, and Original Premium Kettles. However, it does not fit Smoky Joe, Smoky Mountain Cooker Smoker, or 18 or 26 kettles. It's also not guaranteed to fit models not made by Weber. What we like. This rotisserie features a powerful electric motor, ensuring even cooking every time. It's designed to handle both large and small cuts of meat, perfect for any gathering. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use rotisserie for your Weber grill, this is the one for you. What people say. Rotisserie is great and creates such moist meats because it doesn't just sit flat. I smoked over 34 pounds of meat on it. Over 12 pounds of pork sirloin and over 20 pounds turkey. Both came out fantastic. So far I've done chicken, pork shoulder, and kebabs on this rotisserie and they've turned out fantastic, much better than cooking them directly on the grill the traditional way. Number 4. ONLYFIRE Rotisserie Ring Kit for Weber 22-12-inch Grill. Introducing the ONLYFIRE Rotisserie Ring Kit. It's designed for Weber 22-12-inch charcoal kettle grills and similar models. This kit makes rotisserie cooking easy. This kit includes a heavy-duty electric motor, a spit rod, and a high-temperature resistant steel ring. The ring elevates the rotisserie, maximizing capacity. The kit comes with everything you need, an electric motor, counterbalance, meat forks, and more. It's designed to help you create delicious meals. With this kit, you can cook roasts, chicken, and turkeys on your grill. It's perfect for those who love the taste of rotisserie-style cooking. Please note, there might be a small gap between the ring and the grill. This may cause slight heat loss. Consider using aluminum foil or a high heat-resistant gasket to address this. What we like. This kit offers a high-temperature resistance ring, optimizing capacity for your grilling needs. It fits a variety of 22-12-inch charcoal kettle grills. If you have a grill other than Weber, or want to explore rotisserie cooking on your existing grill, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit perfect and works great. Easy assembly and installation. First time was a chicken, came out perfect. Perfect fit for my Weber charcoal grill. Rotisserie motor is strong and quiet. Spit rod is good heavy-duty quality. Number 3. ONLYFIRE 18-inch Rotisserie Basket. This amazing accessory is designed to elevate your grilling experience. It's perfect for cooking a variety of foods, from ribs to vegetables. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. This ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, making it a reliable addition to your grilling setup. The basket includes 4 trays, each measuring 14.5 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. This provides ample space for cooking a variety of foods simultaneously. It's designed to fit rotisserie grills with 1, 2 or 3 8-inch hexagon spit rods, and 3 8 or 5 16-inch square spit rods. It's compatible with charcoal kettles, gas grills, and Kamado grills. Use it to cook ribs, steak, burgers, pork loins, fish, nachos, chicken, vegetables, and more. It's a versatile tool that expands your grilling possibilities. The kit comes with a support rod to prevent the trays from falling off during cooking. It's easy to set up and use, providing a secure and reliable cooking experience. What we like. This accessory features a tumble basket design, perfect for cooking a variety of foods like ribs, vegetables, and more. The durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use. If you like to cook a variety of smaller items on your grill, this is the perfect addition to your setup. What people say. Chicken wings are fantastic on this, and boy, does it make a mess on the trays. Works good for cutting ribs into single servings and have different seasons on each tray. Is awesome for surf a.d turf kebabs, no burnt sticks. Great for chicken wings, vegetables, sausage and chicken parts, drumsticks, thighs, wing, breast, would recommend this to everyone. Number 2. Outdoor Electric Rotisserie Grill Kit. This rotisserie grill kit can handle up to 125 pounds of meat. It's perfect for roasting large items like whole pigs or lambs. You'll be able to cook a lot of food with this. The grill can accommodate meats up to 46 inches long. Make sure your meat fits within this length before you start cooking. It's designed for large cuts of meat. The included 45W electric motor provides strong torque for consistent rotation. It spins at about 4 revolutions per minute, ensuring your meat cooks evenly. This helps to get tender and flavorful meat. It features 8 height adjustments to meet different cooking needs. You can easily adjust the height to achieve the perfect cooking results. This allows you to cook a variety of foods. It's constructed from stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. The sturdy build ensures it remains stable even on grass. It's also rust resistant. The grill is simple to assemble and ready to use in minutes. All the necessary tools are included for quick installation. You'll be enjoying delicious roasted food in no time. What we like. This kit boasts a large capacity and a powerful motor, ideal for roasting whole pigs or lambs. The adjustable height feature allows for versatile cooking options. If you are planning a large outdoor event and want to impress your guests with a perfectly roasted feast, this is the ultimate rotisserie kit. What people say. It is very sturdy and built well. The results were amazing and everyone said it was the best steak they have ever had. Manufactured from what looks to be thick steel. I was worried about the motor, but it worked reliably and without laboring, turning a 44-pound pig for 7 hours over a large fire bowl. The size worked well, and I think it could also handle up to 3 20-pound turkeys. Number 1. BBQGUYS Signature Rib Rotisserie Barbecue Grill Trays, BBQ-RRW. Introducing the BBQGUYS Signature Rib Rotisserie. This innovative product is designed to enhance your grilling experience. It allows you to cook ribs and other foods to perfection. The rotating grill trays ensure even cooking. This feature helps to prevent burning and ensures that your food is cooked thoroughly. It's a game changer for any barbecue enthusiast. The BBQ-RRW model is built with high-quality materials. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for many years of delicious meals. This rotisserie is perfect for cooking ribs. It creates tender, fall-off-the-bone ribs every time. The rotating action ensures that the ribs are cooked evenly. Upgrade your grilling game with this rotisserie. It's easy to use and clean, making your barbecue experience more enjoyable. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your grilling skills. What we like. This product features rotating trays, ensuring even cooking and delicious results. It's designed for easy use and cleaning. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to elevate your grilling game, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Love it, works well and makes grilling fun. This is a very high-quality piece of equipment. It is very well made and of good materials. It is easy to assemble. I have used this rotating grill many times already. Works fine, didn't have any problems with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.